Akarsh's bird friend. Akarsh was a 2-year-old boy. He lived in a big house that had a lovely garden. The garden was full of tall trees, leafy green plants, and shrubs of colorful flowers. Different types of birds, butterflies, and moths flitted about among the trees, plants, and shrubs. You can see his garden. Akarsh loved to play in the garden with his red ball. His mother would give him a biscuit which he would hold in his hand and run about kicking his ball in the green grass. Akash would keep a look out for his bird friend every day. The moment he spotted the mime, he would giggle and run after it. One day, as usual, Akash came to the garden with a biscuit and looked around for the man. He saw crows and pigeons, doves and parakeets, sparrows and sunbirds, but there was no man. He looked in the plants, he looked up in the trees, he looked all around, but his friend was nowhere to be seen. Sad and disappointed, Akarsh began to cry. He cried so loudly that his mother came running to see what happened. As she bent down to lift him, suddenly she spotted two brown blackbirds with a yellow patch behind the eyes, lurking inside a bush. The man had brought along a friend. When Akarsh's mother pointed them out to him, Akarsh immediately stopped crying. Happily, he broke off two tiny bits of the biscuits and placed them on the ground. The Minans hopped towards it and nibbled the biscuit. Akash smiled as he put the rest of it into his own mouth. He was happy he now had two bird friends instead of one.